Our programmes offer a varied range of experiential learning activity.
Some of them are very immersive, hands-on experiences. You can be in a lab undertaking research experiments. You can be in a simulated environment.
So whether they're up in our Coach Lane primary school teaching in the primary classroom that we've got there, or whether they're in some of the healthcare settings that we have.
Or it could be a simulated courtroom experience. It could be production type practices in a performance space, or it could be studio work in areas like art and design. So it takes many different forms. The important part is the authenticity of the experience.
They might feel uncomfortable while they're going through it actually, but at the end of it, in terms of a learning experience, they all say it's fantastic.
Real world projects are projects students work on which real world clients are interested in.
We bring students in to work with industry clients on real life projects, so they get a chance to cut their teeth on some real life challenges and issues and develop their employability.
Our students work in what we call clinics, which are like student consultancies, to provide answers to the clients and these problems.
We had the Student Law Office, which is a unique aspect of Northumbria University, and that involves real life clients, and we have our own caseload, which gives us a real feel for what it's like working in practice.
We've got the business clinic where we've worked with thousands of students and hundreds of clients on projects ranging from small-scale enterprises all the way through to marketing exercises for really big corporations. Other elements of experiential learning are things like placements and internships. That's where students go to gain professional practice experience in a different professional environment.
And that could be something that is mandatory on that course, where nurses are going in and alongside their course they're working in the NHS. Or it could be something that's an option, a year-long placement in industry.
The placements that they put together, they really think about the fact that you have to do different areas. So they've really mapped everything out to make sure you get a diverse range of learning experiences and you bring in all of the skills that you want.
We like to provide as many options for our students as possible. This includes things like study abroad, where you go to another country to take some time to study, and it may be a semester, it may be a year, but studying in another environment to gain experience and confidence of different cultures and environments.
Our ambition at Northumbria is that experiential learning becomes part of all of our undergraduate programmes from the very start of students' experiences.
The students who do this come back with a lot more confidence and knowledge about the career that they want to take. So it's a very valuable experience for our students.